À.
ba đi. Nói ba đi. Ra nói ba đi. Nói ba đi con.
Đi đi.
Đi con, đi.
Hey guys, we're here at the farmer market, and we came a little late, so you see there's not a lot of stands around here. It used to be, over here, a whole bunch, but here we are. We had a show earlier, so it took. It was a great show, and it took longer because it was a great show, so it had to be on longer. And now we're here just hanging around, and I have my kid running around, troublemaker everywhere. Yeah, when you have kids, you know what's up, guys. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna have lunch after this, and yeah, you guys gonna see what I'm eating today, because this is Sunday. So hey, just having fun. Look at all these. We got some grape right here. He loves grape, right? Have grape? Yeah, right here. Yeah, grape. We have grape. Got some celery and chives, and you got apple. Here, it's just looking. See, it's right here. Alright. Hey guys, so I'm here at Black Bear Diner. Okay, it's one of my favorite restaurants for American food. Okay, alright. So here, look at this. Look at this. My chicken fried steak right here. A mashed potato. Ooh, pancake. Pancake is bomb here, guys. And wife got some steak, mashed potato. Just like it. It's having some of mine. Chicken fried steak. That's so good. Look at that. Seeing up. Yum 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 yum. I think he's dreaming. He's dreaming of food or something. I don't know. He's looking, staring all over the place. Alright guys, see you guys later. Bye. Yummy. Smashed potato. So good. Wow, so good.
How's everything here for you?
It's good. Yum, yum, yum. Ngon không? Ngon. Ngon giơ tay lên. Ngon giơ tay lên. Yum. So you see, guys, everyone needs a little help, even my baby, even me, my wife, everyone needs a little help. Mom, mom, mom. Mom, mom, mom. Gắp đi, gắp đi. Cái ép mashed potato đó. Này đó. Mom.